Makita XCU03PT1 18V X2 36V LXT Lithium-Ion Brushless Cordless 14. Makita-built outer rotor BL Brushless motor direct drive system provides high power efficiency equivalent to a 32cc gas chainsaw. Variable speed trigger and high chain speed 0 to 3, 940 fpm for improved cutting performance. Tool-less chain adjustment for convenient operation and maintenance. Chain pitch 3/8 inch. Built-in lock-off lever helps prevent the chain from accidentally engaging. Large oil filling port with view window allows operator to easily add and check bar oil level. Built-in LED on-off switch with auto power off function automatically shuts the saw off when operation is delayed for extended battery life. Two 18V LXT lithium-ion batteries deliver power and performance without leaving the 18V LXT platform. Low noise level and zero emissions for operator comfort. Features extreme protection technology, XPT, which is engineered to provide increased dust and water resistance in harsh job site conditions. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.